What's going on YouTube? It's Jordan, and today I'm going to show you how to create a simple branded watermark to put at the corner of your videos that'll allow people to subscribe when they click on it. I'll be going through the whole process here on Canva.com for free, from creating it to uploading it. I use Canva and occasionally Adobe Spark for my graphic design needs, and it is very beginner friendly. So to create a watermark, you'll want to click on Create a Design, and then Custom Dimensions. And since the dimensions for a watermark are 150 by 150, you'll want to proceed with these dimensions and click Create a New Design. So there's a lot of ways you can go about this. In the one I made, I wanted to make a clear-cut call to action to subscribe by clicking on the watermark. So I'll just add some text here, then add a heading, and I will type subscribe here. So you can change the background color by just clicking in the background and go up to your palette here and go with any one of these colors. Or if you want to make a more aesthetically pleasing background, you can click background here and use any one of these free templates. And I will change the color to white to make it look better. So once you're done with all that, you'll want to click download and save it as a PNG for the highest quality and click download, and then save it to your computer. So when you're done saving it to your computer, you'll want to go to your YouTube channel, and I'm using my channel that I don't use for anything. So I'm going to go here, then you'll want to go to YouTube Studio. Then scroll down to settings, then go to channel, then go to branding. So now you want to choose your image that you saved to your computer. And it'll appear right here. You'll see you have three options here. It can appear at the end of the video. You can enter a custom start time. So if you wanted to appear at the 5-second mark of your video, it would appear at the 5-second mark and last through the duration of your video, or you can do the entire video, which I personally would do. If it doesn't appear for some reason, try toying around with these settings, but doing this process should work for you and give you yet another place to remind your viewer to subscribe and help drive up your watch time. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time.